last piece to look at is the commissions. So commissions here is, yes, it does, let's say a sales commission. So I can set up a sales commission to track a particular item, an item group, and then I can have a percentage or a flat amount per unit that's accumulated to a salesperson. Some unique features about this is actually a little larger scope than that. So I can actually set up a recipient of a commission. So it could be a salesperson. That would be a more traditional concept of a salesperson. It could be then, and then the salesperson could be a vendor. And then that would allow me to issue a purchase invoice essentially to that vendor record to account for that commission. I can also set this up as a customer. So similar to how the bonus structure could work, I could actually leverage a commission structure and then create a credit memo against a customer record. So this isn't just an exclusive use necessarily to calculate a sales commission that would be payable to a salesperson. I can accumulate the commission structures to do either customer-based transactions or vendor-based transactions. So kind of an interesting concept here. Same idea as the bonus, where I'm going to create a commission structure and a commission rate. It could be then again a customer or customer commission group that it accumulates that, and then I'm going to the sales type again could be customer group, could be an item, it could be a group of items, an item commission group, etc. That then would be applied. And then there's a process that I would run essentially to calculate these commissions. So like the bonus, I'm gonna run a process at the end of a period. The commission process is the same. So I'm gonna run a process, I'm gonna have a chance to review those transactions before then a subsequent customer credit or vendor purchase invoice is created for the customer vendor. The nice thing about having that credit memo or that purchase invoice created essentially sitting on the customer and vendor's account is then you can determine how do you resolve that. You know, do you include that purchase invoice transaction against payroll? So that would be the resolution of the payment to the vendor or the salesperson. Is it a credit on the customer, in which case maybe you apply it to future incoming invoices or outstanding balances or something like that, or do you actually issue a payment to the customer? So if you're familiar with the payment journal process, we do have the ability to issue payments to customers or vendors, so we can just issue it to a customer and then essentially refund the commission back to the customer based on a particular volume of transactions. So again, that's a little different or a little nuanced from the bonus transaction to the customer, just depending on sort of what functionality that you might need.